This here is a VTEX push and pop bulldozer. It comes with 3 balls here. The handle, it'll break down and come. It's for when you're those kids that are just getting ready to walk and they need a little bit of help, or they're walking and they need a little bit of help, but also it's a lot of fun. The ball goes into here, pops out, and then gets dumped back into there as they push it. So it's kind of it's a reaction toy. It comes with 2 AAA batteries, but they are in here. You need a Phillips head screwdriver to replace them if you need to. I have not needed to replace them yet. My son right now is 1, so he's not really balancing with it yet, but he is playing with it. He loves playing with the balls. This is the sound control right here. It is a medium and loud. We'll just go with medium for now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then
I'm the team leader. I'm ready to clear the way.
Ready to clear the way. As you push it, it will make noise.
1.
Sing songs. Great for kids learning to walk. Again, this is the VTEC push and pop bulldozer. This is Mark from Adventure Dad, and we will see you in the next video. Clear the way!